Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a photo and video editing app step by step. First, you need to select the right application for your creative projects. Think about whether you primarily edit photos or videos and what features are most important to you. Many excellent options exist, offering a wide range of tools. Ensure the app works well with your computer or mobile device, and check for helpful guides to get you started smoothly. Once you have your app, let's dive into basic photo editing. Start by cropping your image to a strong composition, perhaps using the rule of thirds. Then, fine-tune the exposure, contrast, and color saturation to make your photo pop. Many apps offer one-click filters that can instantly transform the look and feel. Don't forget to use spot removal tools for minor imperfections, ensuring a clean and polished final image. Now, let's move to fundamental video editing. Begin by trimming the start and end of your clips to keep only the best moments. Arrange these clips on your timeline to tell your story effectively. Incorporate background music to set the tone, ensuring its volume is balanced with any voiceovers. Smooth transitions, like a simple cross-dissolve, can connect your scenes seamlessly, making your video feel polished and professional for your audience. Finally, consider exploring more advanced editing techniques. Experiment with color grading to give your video a distinct cinematic look or add subtle special effects. When your project is complete, optimize it for its destination, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, or a personal album. Export your work in a high-resolution format, like 1080 pixels, to maintain excellent quality. Then, share your beautifully edited photo or video with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.